So we're here at the house. It's first day. It's Sunday today. It's November 19th. So we started this floor renovation. Anyway, the board that we're putting this is all eaten by the termites. So actually the original one board is like this, but it's holes already, so we changed in another board, which is it's not advisable because easy to be eaten by the termites. And actually like this, this one I've been welded at, it's 9mm. So since this is steel, so it's easy to attach any of the steel bar, because the floor supposedly is like this. It's wood eaten by the termites, so it's welded like this. So including here, by the way, even over at the back here is the bathroom. So this is the gap before. So I told Bin to put together all here, like here, like higher, so that no water can go in there. So it's disaster here. So the cabinet, which is we changed before, this one, see the termites here. So we have to change this again, but anyway, this one is fine. Little on the bottom, it's okay, but it's still sturdy. This one on the other cabinet, second cabinet, it's bad because we changed before. It's like torn paper, see? Sige ngalan ani nga wood bin. Naka rin sa sentro.
Kung ano siya? Purnika.
Purnika? Kani ka wala siya na. Kani unsa ni siya bin? Wala gini siya na kaon sa kuan. Sa di lagi na siya gakaonon sa anay. Ani kaon sa anay ana na.
Kapitlan nga.
So, nasaka siya dili o, pero di siya kakaon. O, ni na naman yung balay dili o. Di siya kakaon. So, okay siguro glawanit na. Ha?
Na yung mga baga, aning hindi kay ang publiko na sa tubig.
Lagi no, mabasa.
Magdaka ko na sa dali tubig.